Good morning, guys. It's your boy One back with another video. Here's how I made $874 trading the Nasdaq this morning on this long position. Without further ado, let's get right into the charts. Copy traded across all of these accounts, except for this XFA, because in here I'm waiting for a payout that I just requested yesterday. Took this on this XFA. On the combine, I actually made a little bit more because I added more risk to it. I didn't add more risk to it. I'm sorry. I made a little bit of more money through Asia on some trades and build a little more buffer. So I found it quicker. Same here. And this one I didn't. This one I didn't trade it on Asia. I got a new account from TopSub because of the voided win that they did. They offered me a new XFA and they offered me a free reset. So shouts out to TopSub for that. I'm sure they did it to all of you guys. And yeah, good games, good games for them. Appreciate that. Without further ado, let's get right into the charts, show you why I took this long position and all that good shit. All right, guys, coming into market open, I had a bullish bias coming into it. Why? Because, well, we've been shopping in this range, but overall, we're respecting and creating bullish PD arrays. Over here, we have an hour for a value gap. The price came, tapped, respected a few times, and always rejected from there. We haven't gotten a clean inversion from this hourly PD array. Also, by looking at it on the higher time frames, we're obviously bullish as hell. It looks like we're going to attack all-time highs over here, as well as more of these buy-side liquidity that you guys see over here. But truthfully, at open, you guys know I like to catch a one-on-one continuation. Today, I actually went for a 1 and 2 reversal, and I'm gonna explain why, guys. Right at a market opening, it looked very much like this. Right on the 5 minute time frame, we have these data highs and we have London's lows right here. This was a 15-minute bearish for a value gap. So we have been creating some bearish PD arrays here on the 5 and on the 15 minute here we created a bearish for a value gap right here. Right? So I was still very bullish despite this PD array right here. When market open, I was hoping we invert this 15-minute and attack these highs or this highs right here. Right? These London highs right here, data highs or London's highs or Asia right here, right? We have all this liquidity here that if I wanted us to be bullish at opening, we would have probably ran through this PD array and attack all these highs right here, right? But as soon as market opening, price actually respected this 15-minute. Okay, I was hoping to get a reaction from here long towards these highs, possibly these highs. When I noticed this rejection from here, the next draw on liquidity would have obviously been these London's lows, but I just didn't want to take this trade because it just I honestly didn't have conviction on it. I felt like, bro, we're gonna sweep this liquidity here, and then we're just gonna revert and come and attack some buy side liquidity because we're so bullish, right? There's an hour. This is an hour for value up as well. I said price could easily come back down here, tap into this, sweep some liquidity here, and stay within this bullish order flow, stay respecting this bullish PD array and continue pushing higher. So I just wasn't sold entirely on the shorts, which is why I didn't take it. Even though it did look like a good trade, as soon as I saw these massive CISD towards these lows. Did it look good? Absolutely, but I didn't take it. Okay, I waited for this sweep. After we swept this low right here, I pretty much caught a reversal like I used to catch before. We ended up inverting this PD array. I would have wanted us to sweep this internal low to then reverse, but I got too much confluence to go long towards these data highs right here. When price inverted this 1 minute imbalance, gave me a nice close above it, and we had this next filler right here, retest on it. Didn't get any inversion from it. Entered at this momentum up with one contract. Enter here with one contract and a targeted opposing liquidity. This swing high right here. Okay, guys, and caught 44 points to the downside. Risked about $400 to make 800. That's pretty much a 1 or 2 risk to reward. And yeah, caught a reversal today, like the old times. Again, guys, I would have loved for price to. I would have loved to caught these highs right at opening. If price would have wanted to do that, then it would have been quicker for us to sweep this high and invert this 15-minute. But we respected the 15-minute. I let it move without me. I let London's lows get swept, and after London's lows got swept, I made myself available for the reversal, pretty much. I don't like to catch them reversal because I don't really trade reversals every day at all. I trade continuations. So I guess I'm gonna call it a continuation because yes, it's a reversal, but it's not a counter trend reversal. So to me, it's still a continuation towards the next round of liquidity. The way I see it, yes, the continuation would have been probably us respecting this bearish PDRA and seeing this sell off targeting London's lows at this rejection. But as I said, I was bullish on NQ, so I just waited for this move right here. I wanted to really, really have conviction on the XFA. Also, this is the first XFA. This is a free XFA, guys. There's no trades taken here. This is a brand new XFA. And yeah, requested a payout from this one and got a bunch of fucking combines here ready to get fucking funded, honestly. And yeah, $874 trading, guys. Pretty simple day, pretty easy day. Straightforward with it. Won't take too long taking this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. October has been crazy, crazy for sure. But good month so far. Let's get it, boys. Catch you guys in the next one, and peace.